Hi and welcome to AZ TNT Living. Today we are going to work in the kitchen again. Let me tell you a little story. We went to Costco this week and my husband decided that we need to stop drinking Red Bull. I 100% agree. I cut myself off from all soda products, lost a ton of weight from doing that, and then started drinking Red Bull for the days that I had to go into my office, and it was rough getting up super early to go into the office. So that's why I started drinking it. Well, I'm starting to put the weight on again. So he said, let's try green tea. So we bought 2 different brands of green tea. He likes them both. But I thought, why not make a green tea concentrate? Now, granted, it's still going to have sugar in it, but it's not going to be processed. It's not going to have the preservatives and stuff like that. I think the only thing that I don't have in the house that is going to go into it is the lemon juice. If I had lemons, I would put that juice in instead of the lemon juice that I have in my fridge. So, getting started here. Let me turn you around. Miss Chloe over there laying down. I have my jars. I have my sugar. I have these for my flour and my bread flour too. I have my green tea, my water, and I'm going to use this pot, and I need to get my stock pan out. So, God, my stove is dirty. I need to get my stock pan out to can it because it's going to be shelf stable. So, and I'm going to put you right here. Actually, let's see if I can get you back farther. I got a ton of eggs I can use as a stand for my tripod here. There we go. Okay, let me get my stock pot out too and start that. Actually, I'm going to put you on hold for just a second. Okay, here we go. I got my stock pot ready, and it's got the jars in it and water, and it's heating up right now. I watched many different I looked at a lot of different recipes for doing this, and I'm going to kind of wing it on my own. So to begin with, I'm going to start with 8 cups of water. I've got 4 here. I'm going to do 4 more. Actually, 10, because that's what I have for jars. Eight and 10. I'm going to turn this on and get it to boil. Put that back. Make sure these are all on the burners correctly. Okay, and once it's boiling, I'll come back and show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, I'm back. This is almost boiling, and I forgot I need to put my sugar in. So, all the recipes called for up to 5 cups of sugar. I'm going to start with 3 on this batch and see where we go from there. Okay, I'm going to stir it and wait for it to boil. We'll be back. Okay, the water is boiling. I turned off the heat, and now I'm going to put in double what I would use for 1 cup of tea. So 1 cup of tea would be 1 bag, and I've got 10 cups of water in here. So that's going to be 20 bags. After I do that, I'm going to let it seep for no more than 12 minutes. After that's done, we will come back. Okay, my timer's going off. we're going to get these tea bags out. They say 12 minutes and 12 minutes only because if they stay in for too long, it makes it bitter. So I'm going to follow their directions. Wait. They are all stuck together. Okay, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, if I can find my tablespoon, here it is. And again, I would rather use real lemons for this, but I don't have any on hand. Okay, usually I don't heat up my jars, but I knew I was going to put hot juice into the jars, so that's why I did that. Now I'm going to transfer all of this into the jars and then put them back into the stock pot, and we'll let you know how they turn out. Thanks. Okay, before I put the lids on, I take a little bit of vinegar on a paper towel and clean off the rims. I've got about an inch headspace in all of these, maybe a little bit less in some. And then put my lids on. All brand new lids. Used rings for some of them. Some of them are brand new. Now all these jars are different heights, so when I put them into the water bath, I will tighten those as I get myself a towel. Bring this back over. Anyway, I was saying, because they're all different heights, you have to have the water 1 inch to 2 inches over the tallest one. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, set a timer for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is done, take it off the heat, put them back on a towel to cool, take off your rings, and then they are shelf stable. I do have some extras, so when we're done, I'm going to do a little taste test. Dropping stuff on the floor. Able to lift with my hands. Okay, they're all in. And when we say a boil, it's a rolling boil. Turn the heat back on here, and we'll be back later. Okay, our 15 minutes are up. I'm going to take these out, and they're going to sit and cool, and the lids are going to seal, and then they will be shelf stable. you go. Now, we had some leftovers, and right here that we didn't can, and we mixed it. First we mixed it 2 to 1, and it was too sugary, so then we tried it 3 to 1, and here's the end product. All right, good stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.